In our last class, we talked about direction sense question. So when we are doing the sums of direction, we take into consideration first whether it says move north, move south, move east, move west. In that case, we are talking about the original geographical north, south, east, west. So if I'm, for example, I start from a point A and I move left, this is west.
विन नहीं
Then,
दिख रही मैम
I'm sorry.
वो व्हाइट
हाँ.
बोर्ड दिख नहीं रहा मैम
Then we move to north. So from here, north is upwards. So whenever we say north, south, east, west, we are talking about at the point where you are standing. From there, just directly draw the compass and move north, south. If I say left, right, so you need to consider in which direction we are in. For example, I was here. So if I'm moving in this particular direction, my left is here, my right is here. So if it asks me to turn left, so 90 degrees left. If it has asked me that later on, if I'm moving in this direction, this is my left and this is my right, move right. This is my right. Then move south. Move south means go down. Again move left. This is my left. So if it gives you distances, then we use accordingly. We take into consideration that the lengths have to be smaller or shorter or larger than the previous one. And if it does tell you to move left, right, it doesn't matter how long or how small the line that you have drawn. So I asked you to do the module question. Have you all completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First question, answer please.
North.
Okay, Mohan starts from a point A, walks 1 kilometer towards south, turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Then he turns left and again walks 1. So it has moved and upwards, same length. So it should be in parallel in coinciding with A. Now he is facing which direction? So if he has gone there, which direction is he facing? North. He is facing upwards, so he is facing north. Done? Done? Next, question number 2. I'll need response, guys. Question number 2. Suresh starts from a point. The answer, please.
North.
नॉर्थ मैम नॉर्थ
Suresh starts from a point. Suresh starts from a point, walks 2 miles towards south, turns right, and walks 1.5 mile, turns left and walks half mile. Then he turns back. Which direction is he now facing? He was actually facing downwards, but then since he turned around, he is now facing upwards. So he is facing north. If he would not have turned back, he would have been facing south. Done? Online done?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Next. I hope you all have done the homework and said, because I'm assuming that. That's why I'm going in a speed that I only need to check.
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Question number 3, answer.
South.
South.
साउथ मैम
A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards north, turns left and walks 6 miles, turns right and walks for 3 miles, and again turn right and walks 4. So earlier this length was 6, I'm only walking 4. Takes rest for 30 minutes, that is irrelevant for us. He gets up, walks straight 2 miles in the same direction. So now it has become complete 6 in the same line. Turns right and walks 1 mile. Turns right and walks 1 mile. So upward he went 3 miles, now he has came down only 1 mile. In which direction is he from the starting point? So this was the starting point. So and this is the final point. Which direction?
South, ma'am.
Okay, what is the direction he is facing? What is the direction here, not the starting one? Sorry. What is the direction is he facing? He is moving downwards. So what is the direction?
South.
South. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 4. Answer.
West.
West, ma'am.
Okay. Arun started from a point A, walks 10 kilometers east to point B, then turned north and walked to C 3 kilometers, turned west and walked 12, so longer 12, then again turned south and walked 3, same length to a point E. Which direction is he from the starting? So with respect to A, he is in which direction?
West.
Done? Online done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. 5 answer.
South.
Rest of you.
South, ma'am.
A starts from a point, walks 5 kilometers north, turns left, walks 3, again turns left and walks 5. Same length upwards, same length downwards. Point out the direction in which he is going now. Which direction is he now going?
South.
South. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. A rat runs 20 kilometers. What's the answer for 6?
North.
Okay. Rest of you, I don't think you are listening to me. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards east, turns to right and runs 10, turns to right and runs 9. Again turns to left and runs 5. Then turns to left and runs 12. Finally turns to left and runs 6. What is the direction the rat now facing? So the person is going upwards, so it is the northern direction. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. Answer.
East, ma'am.
East.
A driver left his village and drove north for 20 kilometers. This was the village. After which he stopped for breakfast. Then he turned left and drove another 30, where he stopped for lunch. After some rest, he turned left and drove 20, same length downwards, before stopping for evening tea. Once more he turned left and drove 30, came back to the village. Yes. So after evening tea, in which direction did he drive? This was the evening tea. Then he moved in this direction. Which was that direction? East. This point was breakfast, this point was lunch, and this was the point for evening tea. So after evening tea, he moved in the eastern side. Online, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Question number 8.
North.
A man is facing east. He turns left and goes 10 kilometers. Then turns right and goes 5 meters. Then goes 5 meters to the south. And from there 5 meters to the west. Coincides with the initial line. In which direction is he from the original place? So, original place was, one second. A man is facing east. He turns left and goes 10 meter. Turns right and goes 5 meter. Then goes 5 meters to the south. And from there 5 meters to the west. In which direction is he from the original? So, this was the original. Which is the direction?
North.
Okay, from here. Fine. The person was looking this side, he then turned. So from here, the person is in the northern side.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem till here?
No, ma'am.
हुआ था? Next, question number 9. Answer.
From
North.
northwest.
Ma'am.
From her home, Prerna wishes to go to school. From home, she goes towards north, turns left, then turns right, and finally she turns left and reaches school. In which direction is our school situated with respect to our home? That's our home. And this is the direction. So this is northwest. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Online clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, question number 10. Answer, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
East,
A
ma'am.
child walks 25 feet towards north, turns right, and walks 40 feet. Then turns right again and walks 45. Longer? Yes. He then turns left and walks 20. He then turns left and walks 20. See, this was 25. So this length is already 20. So if he goes back 20, he coincides with the starting point. Finally, he turns to his left to walk another 20. So he's standing at this location. In which direction is the child from the starting point?
East, ma'am.
East.
East. Ma'am.
Clear? Online clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
11. Answer?
Southeast, ma'am.
Southeast.
Very good.
Southeast.
Raju is facing north and moves 20 kilometers. He then turns to his right and moves 20. Then he moves 10 kilometers in northeast. Yeah. Then he turns to his right and moves 20 perpendicularly. And then he turns to his right and moves 20. And again he turns to his left and moves 20. Turn to his left and moves 20. He is here. He is at this position. Sorry. कितना है? 20. In which direction Raju is facing? Which is the direction?
Southeast.
Southeast.
Southeast. Done?
Ma'am.
Rest of you
Yes,
guys,
ma'am.
I'm not getting answers.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you all done the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
12th answer.
West.
West. West, ma'am.
K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. So if this is P, northwest. This is K. 2. R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. So from K, southwest direction. Which point? R. Then M is another place that is located 2 kilometers in the northwest direction from R. K and M are in the same line. R and P are in the same line. T is yet another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction. This one. In which direction is T located with relation to P? West side.
Yes, ma'am.
Done.
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
13. This question I've
Southeast.
seen very commonly in the exam.
Southeast, ma'am.
Okay,
Southeast,
let's
ma'am.
see. Babu is Rahim's neighbor and his house is 200 meters away in the northwest direction. So this is Rahim, northwest direction. This is Babu's house. Yes. Joseph is Rahim's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the southwest direction. ठीक है? Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he stays 200 meters away in the southeast direction. Gopal. Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the northeast direction. Now, Roy. Then where is the position of Roy's house in relation to Babu? Which direction is this? Southeast. Does it match?
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second. Okay. 14. Answer.
South.
South.
A tourist drives 10 kilometers towards west, turns to his left and drives another 4 kilometers. He then drives towards east another 4. Then turns to his right and drives 5 kilometers. Afterwards, he turns to his left and travels 6. So he already traveled 4. Now he is traveling another 6. So he has coincided with the starting position. In which direction is he from the starting point? So this was the starting point. He is in the south side. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Next answer 15.
North.
North.
A man started walking west. He turned right, then right again, and finally turned left. He is facing north. Done?
Yes.
16. 16.
Ma'am, I had a confusion in this.
Yes.
In this question, ma'am. 16.
Okay. One evening, Raja started to walk towards the sun. If it is evening and he is walking towards the sun, he is walking towards the west. Yes, if it would have been morning, he would have been walking towards the east side. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
After walking a while, he turned to his right, again to his right. He then turned right. Which direction is he now facing?
South, ma'am.
South.
Ma'am, but in
1 second.
answer,
Walk. 1 second. One evening, Raja started walk towards the sun. Yes. First point. After walking a while, he turned to his right. Yes. Again to his right. Yes. After walking a while, he again turned to his right. Huh. He's walking. He's in the south side.
South, but
In
answer
answer,
में
it's
north
given.
लिया
Doesn't
मैम.
matter. This is on.
Okay.
This is on.
Okay,
If it
ma'am.
would have been morning, then it would have been north.
ठीक है.
पूरे 54 करोगे?
Hmm. 17.
East.
East, ma'am.
East.
5 birds are sitting in a park in a circle. A is facing southwest. Facing southwest. Yeah. सबको अब बाहर देख रहा हूँ. Okay, everyone is looking out. D is facing southeast. B and E are right opposite to A and D. So B is in the northeast and E northwest. And C is equidistant between D and B. So this will definitely be in the east side. So C will be facing east.
Ma'am, is it the assumption that they look outside?
They are looking outside, yes.
If we take it inside, will it be wrong, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Done?
हाँ मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
South, ma'am.
18. If a man on a moped starts from a point and rides 4 kilometers south, then turns left and rides 2 kilometers, then again turn right to ride go more towards which direction is he now moving? South. He is moving downwards.
South.
Done?
हाँ मैम.
Next. 19. Answer.
East, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see. A man starts from a point, walks 8 kilometers towards north, turns right and walks 12, turns left and walks 7, and walks 20.
ओ मैं डायरेक्शन गलती कर दी, सॉरी.
Turns and walks 20 kilometers, 7, 8, 15,
मैम तो उल्टा है मतलब.
back side 20,
हाँ.
turns back. Then turns right and walks 12. In which direction is he from the starting point? My
South,
fault,
ma'am.
my fault. One sec. This was already 12, na? So 12. So this is the, so here if I draw, it is in the south side.
मैम मैंने वो 20 का ऑपोजिट नहीं लिया गलती से.
अभी ठीक है?
हाँ मैम.
नहीं होगा. Next 20. Again a very important question. Answer.
And east.
Daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Barakaman, and in the evening, it happens opposite. So, this Must be Gol Gumbaz. Here is the sun. Its shadow falls on Arakaman. And that's why when it is evening, the shadow will fall from here. So, in which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Barakuman? Eastern side?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
21. Answer. Ashok went 8 kilometers south,
South.
turned west and walked 3 kilometers. Again, he turned north and walked 5 kilometers. He took a final turn to east and walked 3. So, same length. Yes, so if this was the starting point, now this is the final point, this was the starting point. So, in which direction is the person from the starting point? Down, so south. Guys, clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
22.
West.
West, ma'am.
Yes. Done? 23.
मैम
हाँ.
इधर घर पे तो ये करके देख लिया मैम, एग्जाम में कैसे मैम करके देखोगे?
Imagine. That is what I did. Right now also, while sitting in front of you, I imagine. That is the only way.
Okay.
With every time you turn, your left right swaps. So right now, if I am facing north, if I go down, my left right will swap. Then again, if I turn my face, it will again swap.
Okay.
23. I drove east for 5 miles. Then drove north 3 miles. Turned on my left and drove for 2. Again turned to my left. Now I am going downwards. So answer south. Done? 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Same question. This time earlier I was west when I was facing south. Now I am facing north. So it will be in the east side.
Yes, ma'am.
25. Guys.
South. South, ma'am.
A car traveling from south covers a distance of 8 kilometers. So, traveling from south, that means towards north, 8 kilometers. Turns right and runs another 9. Again turns to the right and the car was stopped. Which direction does it face now? South.
South.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
26.
North, ma'am.
North.
A taxi driver commenced his journey from a point and drove 10 kilometers towards north. And turned to his left and drove another 5 kilometers. After waiting to meet a friend here, he turned to his right and continued to drive another 10. He has covered a distance of 25 kilometers so far. But in which direction would he be now?
North.
North. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
27.
Ma'am, west.
West.
A walks 3 kilometers north, turns left and goes 2 kilometers. He again turns left and goes 3. So in the same point, he turns right and walks straight. Which direction? West.
West.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
28.
South.
South.
South, ma'am.
A walks southwards, turns right, then left, then right. In which direction
मैम ये
South.
साउथ वेस्ट आएगा.
वन से ओके द स्पेलिंग एरर है ये वाला. फाइनल आंसर इज साउथ टू वेस्ट ना. द फाइनल आंसर इज साउथ टू वेस्ट. I have never seen these things. So from the initial position, the person is in the south to west direction. We usually don't see such kind of errors. If I still had to mark it, I would have marked south. Niche. Just a guess. No reason. Actual answer is southwest. Online done?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
29.
Ma'am, east.
Very good.
East, ma'am.
A man starts from a point, walks 15 meters towards east, turns left and walks 10, turns right again and walks. He is now walking in the east side. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
North.
Ma'am, north.
A boy starts walking towards west. After a while, he takes a right turn, and after walking for north. Next, 31.
West.
I stand with my right hand extended sideways towards south. Towards which direction will my back be? West. If you can see, I just turned and looked. I even don't know the answers this way. I turned, I pointed. See, when you're sitting in a room, make the walls fixed. One of the walls should be north, the other wall should be south, according to where you are sitting. And then turn. Whichever room you are sitting. Otherwise, you won't be able to do it.
मैं तो डायग्राम ही बना दिया मैं.
Okay. 32.
East.
If a person moves 4 kilometers towards west, then turns right, moves 3 kilometers, and then turns right and moves 6, Zada, which is the direction is now moving, is moving in the east side. 33.
Yes. East.
Rising sun behind the temple. So if this is the temple, this will be the sun in the east side in the morning. The setting sun behind the railway station. So railway station has to be on the west so that the sun comes from behind. What is the direction of the temple from the railway station? The temple has to be on the east side. Yes, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
34.
North.
Lakshman went 15 kilometers to north. He turned west and covered 10. Then he turned south and covered 5. Finally, turning to east, he covered 10. So again came back to the same line. In which direction is he from the house? He is upward. So he is in the northern side. Guys, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
I'm asking again. I'm expecting that you all have sat in the class after doing the homework. So if you are not
No
speaking,
doubt,
I'm
ma'am.
expecting that you all are understanding and getting the correct answer.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
35.
North.
A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles north, turns to his right and walks 2 miles, again turns to his right and walks 2 miles, again turns to his right and walks 2 miles. In which direction is he now moving? Kuch miss kiya? A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles north, turns to his right and walks 2 miles, turns to his right and walks 2 miles, again turns to his right and walks 2 miles. So he is upwards from the starting point, so he is in the north side.
Yes, ma'am.
36.
East.
I
East, ma'am.
started walking down a road in the morning facing the sun. So east. After walking for some time, I turned to my left. Then I turned to my right. Which direction am I now going? East. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
Next, 37.
Ma'am,
South.
south.
Lakshmi, what 2 kilometers? This is the house. 2 kilometers north. then took a left and continued to walk another 1 kilometer. Finally, she turned left and reached the school. Which direction is he now? South. She is moving downwards.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
38.
South.
First eastward, turn to the right, then right, and then left. He is moving downwards. So south. 39. Answer.
East.
East.
Okay. Ahmed travels towards north from his house. Left, then to south, covering equal distances. So in the same line. This is Sohan. So in which direction is Ahmed's house now? So if I am standing here, Ahmed's house is in the east side.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
guys.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
40.
East.
Raja comes towards north, turns right, then right again, and then go to the left. He is now going in the east side. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
41.
West.
Starts from a point, walks 15 meter west, left, walks 12, turns right, and walks. She is walking in the west side.
No.
Done?
Yes.
42.
West.
West, ma'am.
Facing the sun. So east, turns right and walks 2. Then walks 3 kilometers after turning right. What is the direction is now facing? West. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
43.
Northwest.
Okay. Roy walks 2 kilometers to east, then turns northwest. And walks 3. He then turns south and walks 5. South means straight down. 5. Then again he turns west and walks 2 kilometers. Finally he turns north and walks 6. In which direction is he from now, from the starting position? Northwest.
Northwest. Yes, ma'am.
Done. It should not be near exact 45 degree, okay? It can be a little tilt from north and west, works. 44.
South, ma'am.
Sita starts from a point, walks 2 kilometers north, then turns right and walks 2 kilometers right again and walks. She is now moving in the south side. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
45.
East.
Sham was facing east, walked 5 kilometers forward, then after turning to his right, walked 3, again turned to his right and walked 4, slightly smaller. After this he turned back, so he is looking in the east side. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
46.
East.
East.
Raju is standing facing north. He goes 30 meters, turns left and goes for 15 meters. He turns right and goes for 50 meters. Finally turns to his right and walks. So moving in the east side. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
47.
North.
Sanmitra walks from the house and 3 kilometers towards north. turns right and walks 2 kilometers, then turns right and walks 5, then turns right and walks 2, just below the house, again turns right and walks 2, back to the house, I guess. Which direction is he now facing? North. Done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
48.
Southwest.
Southwest, ma'am.
Raju is Ramu's neighbor and he stayed 100 meters away towards southeast. So this is Ramu's house. Southeast. This is Raju's house. Venu is Raju's neighbor and he stayed southwest. Raju. Yeah. Done? Then
Yes,
Khader is Venu's neighbor and he stays 100 meters northwest. Yeah. Khader's home in relation to Ramu. Southwest. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
49.
From west.
Ramesh walked 3 kilometers towards west, turned to his left and walked 2. He then turned to his right and walked 3. Finally turned to his right again and walked 2. Same line. Which direction is he from the starting? West side?
Yes.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
50.
West.
From west.
Deepa starts walking towards north and after a while she turns to her right. After walking some distance, she turns to left, walks a distance of 1, she then turns to her left. Which direction? West.
West.
Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
51.
West.
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 Raman starts walking towards facing the sun's east side, turns to the left. Again he turned to the left. Which direction is he now moving? West side? Guys, online
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, 52.
North.
North, ma'am.
North.
Walks towards north, turns left, covers some distance, he turns to the right and walks. After some time he turns to his right and then turns to his left. He is moving upward, so north. Any
Yes.
problem?
No, ma'am.
Next, X walks southward, then turns right, then left, and then right. So now moving in the west side.
West.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
54.
South.
South.
A man started to walk east. Some distance he turned to his right. After moving a distance, he turned to his right. After moving a little in the end to his left, moving downwards, so south. Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All of
No,
you
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, if you ever realized after doing the ICI module thing, the questions that we earlier attempted and the questions that we have now, in this particular variety, all the 54 questions, none of them rotated. None of them asked us what is the distance from the starting or what are the distance between the two places. None of them asked us to go clockwise, anti-clockwise. So this was only left, right, left, right. That's it. One variety, plain and simple. But when you do it in the exam, these are not the only questions you get. You get rotation question. You get distance between the question. You get that question that your head is downwards, you're facing the west. That question you get. This sun rises in the east and west question, that is one variety that we see in the exam. One, we also see rotation question, this left right question, then neighbor wala questions that we have, that he is in the northwest direction, he is in the southwest direction. We have seen those questions. We have also seen finding the distance, the Pythagoras theorem question. So those questions are not here, but they do come. Okay, so practice those questions also. Am I clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन आपके जो बुक आएगी उसमें रहेंगे मैम.
हाँ.
ओके.
First, you
Okay.
practice from the PDF and this. So this was very easy. I don't think you need to even give it a second thought. Okay.
हाँ,
Practice
ma'am.
those questions when you're turning your head, you're going it downwards and those things that you imagine, that is important. And then the Pythagoras theorem we have already done in our previous class. So practice those till the time you get your extra question. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.